bills of exchange. Before we start with bills of exchange is a negotiable instrument. What is a negotiable instrument? It is transferable. I can transfer the bills of exchange to another person. Here, where one person agrees to pay, it's an unconditional order to pay. It's an unconditional order to pay signed by both the parties. Drawer and drawee will sign. Okay. Who will draw the bills? The person who draws the bill, for him it's going to be called as which one? Bills receivable. Another person we call it as what? Bills payable. Okay. The person who draws the bill, the person who's going to be the payee, the person who's selling the goods will draw the bill, and the person will be called as creditor. Okay. So bills receivable is drawn, so the person is called as what? Drawer of the bill. He is also called as what? Receiver of the money, otherwise called as what? Payee. Seller, the creditor, will draw the bill on which one? Debtor. He is called as acceptor. For him it is called as what? Bills payable. Payer. Okay. So he is also called as drawee. So seller draws the bill on the buyer. Seller draws the bill on the buyer. Okay. What is the journal entry we'll pass? When goods are sold and bought, what is the journal entry we'll pass? Debtors account, debit to which account? Sales account. If it is a credit sales, there is no need of a bill. Cash sales, there is no need of a bills of exchange. Another person purchases. What is the entry he'll pass? Purchases account, debtor to which account? Creditors account. Then, when bills are drawn, what is the entry we'll pass when bills are drawn? For the party who's drawing the bill, it will be called as bills receivable account. Debtor to which account? Debtors account. Other party is going to pay the money, so creditors account debit to which account? Creditors account debit to which account? Bills payable account. This is when bills are drawn, then when bills are accepted. No need to copy this. Okay, just a revision. Nane. These are all basic journal entries. Then, on the due date, there are two possibilities. On the due date, there are two possibilities. What are the two possibilities? The bill may be honored or the bill may be what? Dishonored. What do you mean by bill honored? What do you mean by bill dishonored? Bill is honored, na? Paid by the other party, not. Bill is honored means paid by what? The other party. What is the entry you will pass? This party will collect the money. Cash or bank account, debtor to which account? Bills receivable account. Okay, this party is paying the money. So bills payable account, debtor to which account? Cash or bank account. If the bill is dishonored, bill is not paid. Bill is not paid now. What is the entry you will pass? We'll cancel the bill, right? So debtors account, debtor to bills receivable account. When the bills are dishonored, we have to produce to the notary public. We have to pay the charges. We have to pay the charges to noting charges. The other party will bear the noting charges. So bills payable account, debtor, noting charges account, debtor, then to creditors. So these are the basic entries on which one? bills receivable and bills payable. First, seller is selling the goods, and of course, other party purchases. Bills are drawn and bills are accepted by the other party. On the due date, there are two possibilities. One is bill is honored means they paid and we collected the money. Bill is dishonored means the bill is cancelled. Debtors account, debtor to bills receivable account. When the bills are dishonored, to prove in the court, we have to produce to the notary the noting charges we have to pay. The noting charges we have to pay. The noting charges will be borne by the other party. Done. So these are all normal cases. Now, as I told you, the bills of exchange is a negotiable instrument. What do you mean by negotiable instrument? It can be transferred. It can be transferred. For example, the bills are drawn for 3 months. Okay, we are on 1st December. Let's assume bills are drawn for 3 months. Now, you will collect the money only after 3 months. Okay, maybe you will collect the money December, January, February, March 1st or March 4th, you will collect the money. Okay, so you do not want to wait for 3 months. You want the money immediately. You want the money immediately. What to do? You can take to the bank and discount it. You can take to the bank and what? Discount it. Okay, so what is the entry we'll pass when the bills are discounted? When the bills are discounted, okay, bank will debit your account, or you will debit the bank account, money goes to the bank. Discount charges will be levied by the bank to bills receivable account. The other party will not pass any entry. So when bills are discounted, what is the entry we pass? Bank account debtor, discount account debtor to which account? Bills receivable account. Second party book, no entry happens, no transaction, no entry. Then on the due date, the discounted bill is honored. Who will collect money? We will collect money or bank will collect money? Bank will collect money. Already we collected money. No entry in our books. No entry in our books. Why? Already we got the money. Other party pays the money. Bills receivable account, debtor to which account? Cash or bank account. If the bill is dishonored, the bill is with us or bill is with the bank? Bank. Debtor's account, debtor to bank account. I repeat. When the goods are sold, debtors to sales and purchase to creditors. When bills are drawn, bills receivable to debtors and creditors to bills payable. On the due date, if we collect the money, cash account debtor to bills receivable. The other party pays money, bills payable to cash. If the bill is dishonored, debtors account debtor to bills receivable, noting charges will be borne by the other party. Then bills payable account debtor, noting charges account debtor to creditors account. If the bills are discounted, bank account debtor, discount account debtor to which account? Bills receivable account. Second party will not pass any entry. On the due date, if the discounted bill is paid to the bank, no entry. Other party is just paying money. Bills payable account debtor to what? Cash or bank account. If the bill is dishonored, why debtors account debtor to bank account? Debtors will get back the bill, debit the receiver. Who will give the bill? Bank. Debit the receiver, credit the giver. Bill is not with us. Bill is already what? Discounted. Bill is already discounted. Okay, listen. Second party, when the bill is honored, bills payable to cash. If it is dishonored, this entry. Any bill, acceptor will pass only these two entries. Bills pay pandrana, bills payable to cash or bank. If it is dishonored, this entry that will be passed. Done? Shall we come to the material? Come to the material. Question number 6 parang. Other questions we will do. Other questions we will do. Question number 6 parang. Read question number 6. record the following transaction in the books of Ram and which one? Hari கேட்டிருக்காங்க. Ram is selling the goods for 1 lakh to Hari on 1st January 2001. On the same day, he draws a bill of exchange for how many months? 3 months, accepts it, and it is discounted on 4th January. It is discounted on 4th January with the bank at 12% per annum கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. The acceptance is dishonored and noting charges how much has been paid by the bank? 250 paid by the bank. Shall we? Start. Have 2 columns. First column in the books of Ram. The books of Ram. Ram is the seller. Who's the purchaser? Hari. Start. எப்போ goods sale பண்றாங்க? When the goods are sold? 1st January 2001. What is the entry will pass? Debtors account debtor to sales. இங்க Hari account debtor to sales. For how much? 1 lakh. Same date. Purchase account debtor to creditors. Who's the creditor? Ram account. How much? 1 lakh. Then, when the bill is discounted, 4/1/2001. What is the entry for discounting the bill? What is the entry for discounting the bill? Bank account debtor, discount account debtor to which account? Bills receivable account. Okay. What is the entry will pass? Bank account debtor, discount account debtor to bills receivable account. To bills receivable 1 lakh. அதுக்கு முன்னாடி bills draw பண்றோம் இல்லையா? What is the entry for drawing the bill? When the bills are drawn? 1/1/2001. Bills receivable account debtor to Hari account. அங்க Ram account debtor to bills payable. How much? 1 lakh. You write narration also. Being sale of goods. Being bills drawn and accepted and the mari you would write narration. Thereafter the bill is discounted. When the bill is discounted? 4/1/2001 the bill is discounted. What is the entry you will pass? Bank account debtor, discount account debtor to bills receivable account. What will be the discount? How many months? We are discounting the bill on 4/1/2001. 4/1/2001. Due date will be 3 months bill. 4/4/2001. 1st January in the 4 months. 4/4/2001. How many months discount? 3 months. So discounting charges will be how much? 1 lakh into eவ்வளவு percentage? 12% for how many months? 3 months. No entry in the second party book. No entry in the second party book because bills are discounted by the first party. No entry in the second party book. Due date FD 4/4/2001. From 1/1/2001, 3 months plus 3 days of grace. It will become 4/4/2001. So we are discounting on 4/1/2001. So 3 months discount. On the due date, the bill is honored or dishonored? On the due date, acceptance is dishonored. The bank pays 250 as noting charges. This will be on 4/4/2001. What is the entry will pass? Debtors account, debtor to bank account. Who is the debtor? Ram account. Debtor to which account? Bank account. This will be bill value plus noting charges. Plus ever noting charges? 5. Second party is not bothered about it. Second party normal entry pass பண்ணுவாங்க. என்ன entry pass பண்ணுவாங்க? When the bill is dishonored. Bills payable account debtor, noting charges account debtor to creditors account. Bills payable 1 lakh, noting charges 250, creditors 1 lakh 250. I repeat, Hari account debtor to sales, purchase account debtor to Ram happens on 1st January. Same day, bills are drawn and bills are accepted. Bills receivable to Hari and Ram to bills payable. It is discounted with the bank 3 days later. So, bank account debtor, discount is for 3 months to bills receivable. On the due date, the bill is dishonored. Base entry is debtors account debtor to bank account. Debtors account debtor to which account? Bank account. The other party will pass a normal entry. Bills payable account debtor, noting charges account debtor to which account? Creditors account. Take up this, then we'll proceed. So when bills are discounted, bank account debtor, discount account debtor to bills receivable, second party will not pass any entry. When the discounted bill is dishonored, bank account, debtors account debtor to bank account, debtors account debtor to bank account. Okay, the bill can be endorsed. What do you mean by endorsed? Bill can be endorsed means, for example, let us assume you accepted the bill, I am the drawer and you are the acceptor. I have to pay somebody the money. Instead of collecting and paying the money, what I can do? I can transfer the bill. I will endorse the bill to my creditors. Start. Endorsement of bill. Endorsement of bill means transferring the bill to the creditor. What is the entry will pass? Creditors account debtor to bills receivable. Creditors account debtor to bills receivable. Second party book, no entry. Creditors account debtor to which account? Bills receivable account. Here also there are two possibilities. Endorsed bill enna nadakalam? Bill can be honored or bill can be dishonored. If the bill is honored, who will collect money? Yaar money collect பண்ணுவாங்க? If the endorsed bill is dishonored, yaar collect பண்ணுவாங்க? Creditor will collect the money. So first party no entry. Second party will pay the money. Bills payable account debtor to what? Cash or bank. If the bill is dishonored, wait பண்ணுங்க. The bill is with whom? Earlier the bill was with bank. Debtors account debtor to bank photo. Now the bill is with whom? The bill is with creditor, debtors account, debtor to creditors account. Debtors account, debtor to creditors account. Second party usual entry will take up. Endorsed bill, creditors account, debtor to bills receivable. Then other party no entry. If the bill is honored, no entry in the first party book. Second party usual entry down, bills payable account, debtor to cash or bank account. If the bill is dishonored, debtors account, debtor to creditors account. Acceptor பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் no problem. Only two possibility. Pay பண்ணா bills payable to cash or bank. Cancel ஆச்சுனா bills payable account, debtor, noting charges account, debtor to which account? Creditors account. Shall you? Look at question number 5. On 1st July 1999, okay, 1999, okay, who draws the bill? G draws the bill for 80,000 on H for mutual accommodation. We are not bothered about whether it is accommodation or whatever. When bills are drawn, drawer will pass via what entry? Bills draw பண்ண entry pass பண்ணுவீங்க. Bills receivable to the other party. Acceptor will pass other party account debtor to bills payable அவ்வளவுதான். Then G purchased goods worth 81,000 from J on the same date. G endorsed the acceptance to H in full settlement கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. G endorsed H's acceptance கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. On the 1st September, J purchased goods from H. J endorsed the bill of exchange receipt from G to H and paid 9,000 in full settlement to H கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. On 1st October, H purchased goods from G. he paid the amount due to G by check கொடுத்திருக்கான். Give journal entries in the books of H. Give journal entries in the books of H கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. What journal entry will come in the books of H? First journal entry. Who drew the bill? G drew the bill on what? H. Okay. On 1st July, H is the drawer or acceptor of the bill? Acceptor of the bill. Start. Let us do it together. On 1st July 99. Okay. What is the entry will pass? Who draws the bill? G draws the bill. G draws the bill. G draws the bill. What is the entry will pass? G account debtor to bills payable. Please remember, in the books of, we are in the books of what? H. $1799. We've done this. Next, G purchased goods from J. G endorsed H's acceptance to J. Will you pass any entry? யார் goods purchase பண்ணிருக்கா? G from J. We are in the books of. Okay. G purchased goods from J and bill endorsed. Endorsed. No entry in the books of what? H. We are in the books of H. This is a transaction between G and J. This is a transaction between what? G and J. No entry in the books of H. Next. On 1st September, J purchased goods from H. This entry will be passed. This entry will be passed. What is the entry? When? 1st September 99. Who purchased goods? J purchased goods from us. What is the entry will pass? J account debtor நம்ம சேல் பண்றோம் to sales. இது வந்து being goods purchased by J from H. For how much? For how much? 90,000. Then, how this money is settled? How this money is settled? எப்படி பைசா செட்டில் பண்றாங்க? Read this. என்ன கொடுத்திருக்கான்? 90,000 endorsed bill received from G to H and paid 9,000 in full settlement of amount due to H னு கொடுத்திருக்கான். Okay. We are collecting the money. Bank account debtor. We collect only 9,000. But how much J has to pay? For the purchases, how much J has to pay? 90,000 pay பண்ணு. அந்த endorsed bill transfer பண்றாங்க. Bills receivable account debtor எவ்வளவு endorsed bill value? What is endorsed bill value? 80,000. Endorsed bill value is 80,000. Balance. இந்த balance இருக்கு. Discount. How much more? 1,000. Bank account debtor we collect 9,000. Endorsed bill that is from another party we collect. Discount allowed 1,000 to J account 90,000. This is on what date? 1st September. Then on 1st October we purchased. On 1st October we purchased goods and paid by check. What is the entry will pass? Purchases account debtor to creditors போடுவீங்களா? No. We paid the money. What is the entry you will pass? Bank account. He purchased goods 1 lakh from G and he paid the amount due to him by what? Check. 1 lakh. So we are recording the transaction only in the books of what? J. It is not over. Think something more. It is not over. I repeat. G account it out to bills payable. Why? On 1st July we are accepting the bill drawn by G. Then G purchased goods from J and the bill is endorsed. This is a transaction happening between G and J. No entry in the books of what? H. On 1st September, we are selling the goods to J. We are selling the goods to J. J account data to sales. J pays 9,000. So bank account data. Bills receivable he transfers to us. Discount allowed. The balancing figure to which account? J account. Purchases as paid by check. Anything else that we have to do? Very good. The 80,000 bills receivable irukku illaya? This is which bill? Our bill. The bill that is accepted by you, okay, to G. G oda bills acceptable or bills payable accepted for G எவ்வளவு இருக்கு? 80,000 சுத்தி நம்ம கையில திரும்பி வந்திருக்கு. For example, you accepted the bill, I endorsed the bill and the bill came back to you. That's why it became bills receivable. So to whom you will pay for the bill? யாருக்கு pay பண்ணுவீங்க? அந்த bill உங்க கையில இருக்கு. This 80,000 bills receivable is nothing but this bills accepted for what? G. We have to cancel the bills. Why cancel the bill? You cannot pay to yourself, you cannot take money from yourself. What is the entry you will pass? Bills payable account data to bills receivable account. Very simple. I accept the bill. You endorse the bill. If the same bill comes back to me, then I need not pay or I will not collect from anybody. So cancel the mutual bill. Cancel the mutual bill. Shall we? Proceed பண்ணலாமா? Copy பண்ணிட்டீங்களா? Next, other heading, retirement of a bill. Retirement of a bill, na making an early payment. Making an early payment, we call it as retirement of a bill. Before the due date, if the money is paid, that is called as which one? Retirement of a bill. What entry we will pass? In the books of drawer, in the books of acceptor. What is the entry you will pass? We are giving rebate, Leah. So cash or bank account data, rebate account data. It's like a discount given to the person who's paying the money to bills receivable account. The other party pays the money, bills payable account data, cash or bank account to rebate account. அவ்வளவுதான். So when you make an early payment, Drawer will pass entry cash or bank account data or rebate account data to which account? Bills receivable account, bills payable account data to rebate account. Rebate na making an early payment, making an early payment. Next, renewal of a bill. What do you mean by renewal of a bill? Extending the time. For example, you are not able to pay the money on the due date. You are not able to pay the money on the due date. So you are asking for extension of time. Will I just give extension of time? I'll ask more money. I'll ask what? More money, interest. I will charge you what? Interest. So when the bill is renewed, what is the first step? Cancel the old bill. Cancel the old bill. Number 2, charge the interest. What is the entry for charging interest? Debtors account, data to interest account. For us, interest is an income. Other party, interest is an expense. So first cancel the bill. Next, what do? First cancel the bill, charge the interest, then draw the new bill. What is the entry for drawing the new bill including interest? Same entry. What is the entry will pass? Bills receivable account, data to debtors account. Other party, okay. So what do you mean by retirement of a bill? Making an early payment. What do you mean by renewal of a bill? Extending the time. Extending the time, we will not just do like that. Okay, first we have to cancel the old bill because the instrument is valid only up to the 3 months. Thereafter, what you have to do? The bill is not paid, you have to cancel the bill. For that, you have to pass entry, charge the interest, then draw the new bill including the interest. Okay, what is the entry for bad debts? What is the entry for bad debts? Journal entry, normal journal entry, bad debts can pass பண்ணுவீங்க. Bad debts account data to debtors account. Bad debts account data to sundry debtors. Okay, we'll see. This model problems are repeated in the exam. எடுத்துறீங்களா காப்பி பண்ணிட்டீங்களா? Over. Look at this 1997 May question. On 1st January 1997, R sells goods 10,000 B and draws a bill for 3 months. B accepts and returns it. On 1st March, B retires acceptance at a rebate of 12% per annum. Record the transaction in the books of what? A and B. Here, whether the payment is made later or earlier. Earlier. So we will give what? Rebate. We will give a rebate. Start. Start. What is the entry you will pass? When is the first transaction happening? When is the first transaction happening? Start. Pass the entry. Wait பண்ணணும் நீங்க பாஸ் பண்ணுங்க. 1st January 97. What is the entry you will pass? A sells goods to B. Start. In the books of A and in the books of B. What is the first entry you will pass? B accounted to sales. For how much? You look. 10,000. Purchases account data to A account. 10,000. Then same day 1197 the bill is drawn. Bills receivable account data or to which account? Whose account? B account. A account data, A receives the bill. Okay, B account data to bills payable. A account data to bills payable for 10,000. Then actually a bill is for how many months? Bill is for how many months? 3 months. Okay. But first Marchly retire பண்றாங்க. On 1st March 97 the bill is retired. What is the due date of the bill? 1197 plus எவ்வளவு months? 3 months வரும். அப்படின்னா somewhere on April 2017 வரும். 4th April 97 வரும். So this is paid on March. 1 month in advance we get the money. April 4th due. 1st Marchly receive பண்ணிடுறோம். How many months in advance they make the payment? 1 month in advance. 4 days out எடுங்க பரவாயில்ல. What is the entry will pass? Bank account data or cash account data or rebate account data to which account? Bills receivable account. Rebate will be how much? 10,000 into eவ்வளவு percentage? 12% for 1 month. The other party pays the money. Bills payable account data. Bank account போடலாம், cash account போடலாம். Shall we? We sell the goods, we draw the bill. Since the money is paid 1 month early, the money is paid 1 month earlier, we give a rebate for what? 1 month. Okay, la? This also we have done 6th point only. Yeah? Look at this. Mr. B accepted a bill 10,000 drawn by A on 1st August 2005 for how many months? 3 months. This he was amount owed to A, and the same time A got the bill discounted for how much? 9,800. On the due date, B approached A for renewal of a bill on the condition that 2000 rupees will be paid immediately along with interest, and remaining will be paid for how many months? 3 months. Remaining balance you should accept a new bill for how many months? 3 months. These arrangements were carried through. On 31st December, B became insolvent. He was able to pay only what? 40%. Leave out that 40% or whatever, we'll see. On the due date, the bill is honored? No. என்ன சொல்றாங்க? What is the condition? 2000 rupees நீங்க pay பண்ணிடுங்க plus interest for the remaining amount சேர்த்து நீங்க pay பண்ணிடுங்க. Interest also should be paid immediately. Okay. Then for the remaining balance, you should accept a new bill. New bill for how many months? 3 months. These arrangements were carried out on 31st December. He became insolvent. சொல்றான். Pass entries in the books of what? A கேட்டிருக்கான். We'll do in the books of both the party. Classroom learning தானே. We'll do in the books of which party? Both the party. Start. In the books of A and in the books of B. When the bills are drawn, bills receivable account data to B account for 10,000. A account data to bills payable on 10,000 pass பண்ணும். Then we are discounting the bill. We are discounting the bill. What is entry will pass? Bank account data, discount account data to bills receivable account. It is given, it is discounted for how much? 9,800 now. Discount will be 200. Second party book, no entry. Example கேட்டது only in the books of A தான். We are doing in the books of both the party. It's only for learning purpose. Bills are discounted on what date? 1st August 2005. What happens next? Look at this. On the due date na எப்போ வரும்? 3 months bill எப்போ due date வரும்? 3 days of grace. 4 September, October, November. 4th November 2005 will be the due date. Bill is honored or dishonored? Bill cancel பண்ணணும். இந்த bill நம்மகிட்ட இருக்க discounted bill. Discounted bill. Debtors account data to bank account. Debtors account data to bank account. Okay, B account data to bank account. So first cancel the bill. 10,000. First cancel the bill 10,000. What is the entry other party will pass? Bills payable account data to what? A account. Then charge interest. First cancel the bill. Charge interest. Interest அந்த 10,000ல 2,000 immediate collect பண்ணிடும். Balance எவ்வளோ interest? 8,000 into எவ்வளோ percentage interest? 12% interest. For how many months? For how many months? Extended period. எவ்வளோ extend பண்ண சொன்னா? 3/12. Why 10,000 minus 2,000? 2,000 is paid immediately. அப்போ 10,000 minus 2,000, 8,000க்கு 12% for how many months? 3 months. எவ்வளோ வரும்? 240. Wait. This interest, we are going to charge it on B. B account data to which account? Interest account. then the other party will get the interest or has to pay the interest. Interest account data to which account? A account. Are you going to include the interest in the new bill or collect the interest? Collect the interest. And the 2000 சேர்ந்து இந்த interest collect பண்ணிடும். We are going to collect the interest and which one? The 2000 rupees. What is the entry will pass? Bank account data 2240 to B account. You can put cash account also, no problem. A account data to bank. Look at this, words clear use பண்றா. 2000 has to be paid immediately along with which one? Interest on the remaining amount for 3 months. So interest is not included in the new bill. Interest is collected along with the 2000. Then draw the new bill. What is the entry for drawing the new bill? Bills receivable account data to which account? B account 8000, not 8240. Now the collect பண்ணிட்டோம் 8000 na entry pass பண்ணோம். On the due date of the bill or when he became insolvent, 31st December 2005 insolvent ஆயிடுறான். So cancel the bill. What is the entry for cancelling the bill? B account data or to bills receivable. Why should you cancel the bill? He became insolvent, so cancel the bill. I'll repeat whatever we have done so far. First, what do? We draw the bill, the other party is accepting the bill. Okay, what is the entry we pass? Bills receivable account data to B account, then A account data to bills payable. The bill is discounted. What is the entry for discounting the bill? Bank account data, discount account data to bills receivable, no entry in the other party book. On 4th September, he is approaching for renewal of a bill. So, debtors account data to bank account, cancel the bill. Charge the interest. Charge the interest for how many months? 3 months. Why 10,000 minus 2,000? And the 10,000 le 2,000 immediate pay பண்ணிடுறாங்க. Balance ke interest for 3 months 240. Charge the interest. We are not going to include a new bill. Why? It's clearly given the 2,000 plus interest is received. Then draw the new bill for the balance. On 31st December, the party became what? Insolvent. என்ன கொடுத்திருக்கா next பாருங்க. We are able to get only 40%. Now, what is the entry will pass? Cash or bank account data, we are able to get only 40%. In the 8,000, we are able to get only 40%. Remaining amount will become what? Bad debts account data, remaining amount to B account. Receiver order booklet is called as bad debts. How it is named in payer's book? In the payer's book, how it is named? Deficiency. What is the entry will pass? A account data 8,000 to cash or bank. To cash or bank account 3,200. The unpaid amount will be called as deficiency. Examination, they don't ask both the party book, only in the books away they ask question. This is we have done only for practice.
Sir, before that entry is written. And then BP to A account. And in this.
போறீங்களா அது? Shall we? Shall we? Try this question. This is one of the most repeated model. This ninth question is one of the most repeated model. இதே மாடல்ல வேற question இருக்கு. The two bills of exchange model. Okay, so try this ninth question. Try this ninth question. நீங்க தான் try பண்ண போறீங்க. I'll read and explain. Two bills of exchange. One for 16,000. Another one is for what? 25,000 கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. The bill of exchange 16,000 is for how many months? The 16,000 is for how many months? 2 months. Okay. And the second bill of exchange. What is the second bill of exchange? 25,000 is for how many months? 3 months. These bills are accepted. Okay. First bill is renewed. First bill is renewed. 4th March. First bill is renewed for a period of what? 2 months. Then on 25th March, second bill is retired. Retired at a rebate of 250. First bill extend பண்ண சொல்றாங்க. Second bill என்ன பண்ண சொல்றாங்க? Early payment பண்றாங்க. At 250 rupees early payment கொடுத்திருக்கு. Then before the due date of the renewed bill, Vishal became what? Insolvent. Only 50 paise was received கொடுத்திருக்கான். First bill renewed, that is paid or not paid? Not paid. Became insolvent சொல்றான். Second bill, early payment is done. Early payment is done. They ask you to pass journal entry in the books of what? Akshay, Dryer. Only in the books of the first party they ask you to pass journal entry. Try பண்ணுங்க. Those who are accessing recording, ensure to pass, solve, then proceed. First, when the bill is drawn, when the bill is drawn, 1st January, 1st January 2018. What is the entry you will pass? In the books of Akshay, we are drawing two bills of exchange on whom? Vishal. Bills receivable account data to Vishal account. What is the total amount?
41,000.
41,000. Separator lam pass பண்ண வேண்டும். 41,000. Then next separator pass பண்ணா okay, but not required. First bill of exchange is for how many months? 2 months. Second bill of exchange is for 3 months. These bills are accepted. On 4th March, the first bill has to be renewed. The first bill has to be renewed. So on 4th March 2018, on 4th March 2018, cancel the first bill. Vishal account data to bills receivable. What is the first bill value?
16,000.
16,000. Charge interest. What is the interest?
4,000.
Vishal account debtor to which account? Interest account. How much? 400. Then no money is received, nothing is received, draw the new bill. What is the entry for drawing the new bill? Bills receivable account, debtor to which account? Vishal account for 16,400. This is for the first bill. Then, what happens? On 25th March, Vishal retires the second bill. On 25th March, what is the entry you will pass? Bank account debtor, rebate account debtor to which account? Bills receivable account. On the 25,000 pay பண்றதுக்கு பதிலா he gets a rebate of 250. Balance எவ்வளவு pay பண்ணுவான்? 24,750 he will pay. Vishal pays a second bill. Vishal pays for the second bill. Early payment is done. Second bill is retired at 250 rupees rebate. Then the renewal is given for how many months? This renewal is given for how many months? 2 months. Now, எப்போ due date வரும்? Before the due date சொல்லலாம். எப்போ வரும்? 3 days grace days. 7th May 2018. Okay, renewed bill to be cancelled. Yeah. He became insolvent. What is the entry you will pass? Vishal account debtor to which account? Bills receivable account. Cancel the bill. 16,400. Cancel the bill. Okay. Cancel the bill. The renewal bill is cancelled. Vishal account debtor to bills receivable account. The renewed bill is cancelled. Then what happens? We are able to collect full money? No, we are able to collect only 50 paise in a rupee. What is the entry you will pass? Bank account debtor, bad debts account debtor to which account? Vishal account. Vishal has to pay 16,400. He pays only 50%, 8,200. Balance 8,200 will become what? Bad debts. Okay. In the same model, I've given one more question, or is there in the material. This question. Second question try பண்ணுங்க. Copy this, then try which question? The second question. Or they are asking you to pass journal entry in the books of which party? Which party?
David.
David. When? Bills receivable account, data or to which account? What is the total value of the bill? 16,000. On 4,395, first cancel the bill. How much? First bill, 6,000 you cancel. Charge interest. Thomas account, data to interest account, how much? Then draw the new bill. Then on the due date of the first bill, okay, 2395. What is the rebate? Second bill is retired with rebate. Rebate of how much? 100 rupees. Second bill 10,000. 100 rupees rebate na, we'll collect how much? 9,900 we'll collect. So 7,595. Renewal of a bill. First cancel the bill. Thomas account data to bills receivable. How much you have to cancel? How much we are able to collect?
Half. 309.
30 bad debts. So this is about retirement of a bill and which one? Renewal of a bill. The model question will kick retirement or which one? Renewal of a bill. Clear? We have one part left that is called as accommodation bills. Accommodation bill na for mutual financial requirement. உங்களுக்கு எனக்கு பைசா வேணும். Okay, nobody is there to lend. So simple. I will draw the bill on you. Okay, we'll discount the bill and share the money. 3-4 months paisa enna pandrathu? You want 3 lakhs, I want 2 lakhs now. I will draw the bill on you for how much? 5 lakhs. I will take to the bank and discount the bill. I will use 2/5. You will use what? 3/5. On the due date, I will send the money and we will settle the money. That is called as which one? Accommodation bill. Accommodation bill is drawn for mutual financial arrangement, short-term financial arrangement. Okay. So we discount the bill, get like a loan or 3 months. After the 3 months period, you settle the loan. Okay. How the transaction will take place? For example, let's assume A needs 5 lakhs and B needs 5 lakhs. Now what will happen is A will draw the bill. A will draw the bill on B for 10 lakhs. Now I need 5 lakh, you need 5 lakh, 10 lakh bill drop on. Then A will discount the bill. Okay, A will send or A will remit. Remit means send. How much? Half of the proceeds to whom? B. 10 lakh bill discount பண்ணி half amount இப்போ immediate உங்களுக்கு அனுப்பிச்சு வச்சிருவேன். Then discount இருக்கு இல்லையா? Discount should be borne by whom? A and B. In which ratio? In the example, I need 5 lakh, you need 5 lakh. Now, equal ratio, we will bear this discount. Suppose if I use the money like 3 by 2, 2 by 3 by 5, 2 by 5, in that ratio discount will be more. Then on the due date what will happen? A will send the balance and B will pay the bill. I repeat, I need 5 lakh, you need 5 lakh. Let me to draw the bill for 10 lakhs. I will discount the bill. I will send half of the money to you, and discounting charges should be borne by A and B in the ratio in which money is shared. In the ratio of money use பண்றோமோ அந்த ரேஷியோல ஷேர் பண்ணிப்பாங்க. Due date அன்னைக்கு A will send the balance and B will what? Pay for the bill. B will pay for the bill. There were just example kada, no need to copy. No separate journal entry also. Accommodation bill, will you pass any separate journal entry? No. Already whatever we learned, bills are drawn, bills receivable account data to B account. A account data to bills payable in the marna. So there's no separate set of entries we are going to learn. Okay. We'll directly go to a problem so that you will understand. One of the most important concept for examination. The concept is most important. Repeated concept also for examination point of view. Shall we? Have a heading, accommodation bill. Question number 1 part. Read the first paragraph. Thereafter, we'll solve this. Read the full question. You must understand the question, only then we'll be able to solve. See, Pranama. Who's drawing the bill? Vinod, and who's the acceptor? Pramod. Journal entry Vinod alna ketirukanga, but we'll do for learning purpose. We'll do in both the books of both the parties. 1st January appo who's drawing the bill? We know this drawing the bill. Start. Let us do it together. In the books of Vinod, in the books of Pramod. Start. When is the first bill drawn? 1st January 94. What is the entry you will pass? Bills receivable account. Data are to which account? Pramod account. First bill evlo? 2000. He is accepting the bill. The bill is discounted. When the bill is discounted? 4th January 94. Bank account data are discount account data to bills receivable. What will be the discount? 3 months bill, yeah. So 2000 into evlo percentage? 15% into 3 by 12. What is the discount? 75 balance. Bill is discounted. Second party no entry. Then 4194. What happens? Half of the amount is remitted nu kuduthirukka. So what is the entry you will pass? Pramod account data are 1000 to cash or bank account amount la half. To discount also, the other party should share half the amount. The ratio in which money is shared, in the same ratio should share the discount also. What is the entry the other party will pass? What is the entry the other party will pass? Bank account data are discount account data are to which account? We know the account 1000. Second bill யார் draw பண்றாங்க? Second bill பாருங்க. Who is drawing the second bill? On 1st February, Pramod draws and Vinod accepted a 4 months bill. When? 1st February 94. We are drawing the bill. Bills receivable account data are Pramod is drawing to Vinod the account. How much? 2000 or 1500? 1500. It's a 4 months bill. Same date he is accepting the bill. What is the entry for acceptance? Vinod account data are to bills payable. Then this bill is discounted. What is the entry you will pass? Bank account data discount account debit to bills receivable account. How much discount? 1500 into 15% for how many months? How many months? 4 months. Hello. No entry in the first party book for this discounting. Now who's sending the money? Who's sending the money? Pramod is sending the money. What is the entry? We know the account data. How much is sent? Half the money. Try the 7th question. நீங்க தான் ட்ரை பண்ண போறீங்க. Try 7th question. Who is drawing the first bill? Anil is drawing the first bill. In the books of A, and who's the second party? Who's the second party in the books of? When is the first bill drawn? 5th April 2003. Bills receivable account data are to which account? Yes, account. How much? 9,000. Then it is discounted. $8,820. Discounting charges will be 180. How much is remitted? 1/3 is remitted in the solver. Yes, account data. 1/3 of the amount will be 3,000. Amountly 1/3 now. Discount will be 1/3 of 180. On the first due date of the first bill, 1/3 already அனுப்பிச்சாச்சு. இப்போ பேலன்ஸ் எவ்வளோ அனுப்பணும்? 9,000ல 2/3. 9,000ல 2/3 3,000 is due from whom to whom? A to S. He has to pay for the bill. How much he has to pay? 9,000 he has to pay for the bill. Second bill is drawn by S on A. Second bill is drawn by S on A. எவ்வளோ செகண்ட் பில்? 12,600. Second bill was discounted for how much? 12,330. Then how much is remitted? How much is remitted to A? 2,220 remitted. இப்போ எவ்வளோ டிஸ்கவுண்ட், எவ்வளோ டோட்டல் அமௌண்ட்ங்கிறது தான் கொஸ்டின். ஆல்ரெடி ஓல்ட் அமௌண்ட் எவ்வளோ? 3,000 ப்ளஸ் இப்போ 2,220 அனுப்புறான்னா டோட்டல் எவ்வளோ இருக்கும்? 5,220 out of 12,330 into 270. 5,220 total amount due out of 12,370 na 270 की discount proportion எவ்வளோ?
So 6,000 due from me.
6,000. 6,000.
180.
This will be 6,000 plus 2,220. It will be like 8,220. Correct. So bank account debt are 2,220, discount 180, total 2,400. What is the old amount due? 6,000. For now, including discount 2,400 now. Total amount due is 8,400. This is for our reference. பின்னாடி insolvency calculate பண்றதுக்கு this is our reference. On the date of the second bill, cancel the bill. A account data to bank, எவ்வளவு cancel பண்ணும்? 12,600 you have to cancel. A bills payable account data to yes account. 12,600 you cancel. 8,400 due. அது எவ்வளவு pay பண்றாங்க? 8,400 totally due. How much is paid? Half the amount is paid now. 4,200 is paid. Remaining 4,200 becomes deficiency. அவனோட bookல 4,200 he collects. Remaining 4,200 becomes what? Bad debts. Total 8,400. Next. Over. Is it over? So the model questions, and be ready with the other one also. So with this, which chapter is over? Bills of exchange. Next, we'll move on to rectification of errors.